it's a channel screens and we're on comfort zone. And they are manamhlanje and why alien. Why they put us up? I give my so weird with us.
Hello boys, hello girls, is your boy Tapools, your baby mama's boyfriend, your son's stepfather, your ex-girlfriend's best boyfriend.
Okay, but we all know like well alone. And that's it.
We don't want the highest level.
Yeah, what's the core? What's the core?
Man.
Yeah.
I want to review it too, man. So kwenzekile man, kwenzekile just to break the ice for you. Except when you even get a Google up is vegan. Look not as vegan man, is man says criteria. Yeah, Mahotman now and as no doesn't need to Google TV. Ah man, German Google the week say and capture Risha. The boy and I win a ring and I'm dog to quail man. But now man, lay convo, lay funish you and she. You funic and she like a city discuss healing and you mean. Because the kind of Google you way up we see it. Or Rebecca, so call Google like a TV, buzz or call a buzz, Kumula Crane away. Or Rebecca, I think why Crane, why nani makhotman disho itive bukwela kakhulu but ke disifakela crane disho nongayaziyo ke uzobuye recall kanye ikhumbule becrane noke wayibukela Rebecca bekuthiwa unesifo uvayile waya kugqirha wathi ugqirha unesifo se-cancer I think una 3 months before aphile sharp ke family friends akhe
Before appeal or die?
before afe okay before afe alright cha ke ngokwenzeka ke ma crane ichomi zakhe week before azosweleka mos utoshele 3 months bambethile new age ngoba I think ibi some sort of a memorial service but uphila uyabo like it's a memorial service ne but uyaphila so futhi wena nencane mina pha nene neyibukela pha kula wethi la weba ichomi yakhe unomse sikona ichomi yakhe bekuvana naye big time but for yonke iminyaka bebengavana abantu abefana ngalamini leya la olethi yokhupha imbilini yakhe enzima so we enencane mina we ngikhume naye pha nabo yona ringa naye umuntu ukuthi ukhwebe ba hi man uvayile abantu bayakuncane and xa uzovaya abantu bayakuncane because baninzi abantu abaringewe izinto emongala olethi ekhona eziva because memorial service yakhe leya abebisa libebebiza ngaloni so if nebefile abengazibona lo yabo so i-question enendazana yakhe ukhwebe man what's the use uba like abantu qho bakuncane xa sewuvayile because kusuke abantu abasuka from Jozi from pipi bazaphakla weleya yakhe so ndiphakla khona but azi noma nihamba nami okanye
Awuvakele.
bese likahayi nje lapha mntakuthi ndibakele phi
Yeah,
ithini zakhe ziyimvota
nami ngiyilo liyabala. Ufile ngoku like abantu
ebibeka
Ibeka kakhulu.
it's fair. Ufuna like it's fair.
But uswelekile dog.
Okay, let me say like usulekile like bang bayakupost now kodwa like umuntu ngapolice like asistratweni like what's the use like the feeling seyibona njalo no yeah
Because it doesn't count
yeah
anymore.
like
It
how
doesn't
it doesn't matter
because
so like if like you're tired like
Xa nicinga yenziwa yintoni la why do people love you only when you dead or give you your flowers when you're dead?
ebo from lami side I don't think like abantu bakuthanda xa ufile yena ndiyayiva but abantu bayakuncanywa all the way kanye ngabanye kunzima mabayiveze umuntu engona expressa la xa ufileyo of which mina yobenzama uyiraise yileyo ba man ngaske if yancanywa uyazazi boya ndiphakamisela kanibonise ngondisekhona bras ufika la wena
ngibonise ngekhona ke like
yeah
What do you mean?
it's not like like not like voice but like you know like no it's ba man like must joy no friendship like no voice ba encane ndawo
salute mhlambe estratweni ancabuza khona
kanifile uphango
Yintoni eyenza abantu basithathe nje estratweni at times. I think it's by knowing your place or trying to stay in your lane. Uyibone la we. Would you like I think I don't know if I know many people. I think I know many people and I know them like not them, but I would never like greet them first or whatsoever. Because I know my place. It's not that in a ghost or whatsoever, it's just that I know my place.
so ke ngona
but
umsadi
ikhona la nje
Ikhona
naye but awukwazi ukubulisa
and the other if it happens.
abudela naniwe
but it happens
It happens.
yabona mina ngokunoba nabantu ekasi bayathe badikwa ndimi each and every person apha kasendibana naye ndibonayo bandamncanywa ndiyamsalute that's just show ba ama mfumani yami like acknowledge ya noba wena uyazi ba mhlawumbe ndikacknowledge ngaloni but yaphakamisela das ungqitha nje estratweni gqibileyo xa ndifileyo phofu ndizobe ndingayazi uba uzini but ungena confused alive mna la way.
Have you ever greeted umuntu like umbone jonga umbulisa ngomdla kuthina ofa ngakubulisa back?
Hello.
That happened a lot. That's why ngingabulisi bani.
Yeah,
That's why umbulisa ngomdla umuntu dogs. But ayingathaka kwazi
no nice. But masingabalekile kule bendiza nayo ndakuva tali usaluta abantu banganayo.
But why do people love you only when you're dead?
Singayi
yabo no.
Because umzekelo buke wenzeka apha uthanda personal task just ungena kule convo ewenezwa manje i-raise besike sabeka umuntu agwethu apha kwesiveki izipheleleyo kwezinyanga zipheleleyo isayo
Unathi.
yabo iwe yenzeka apha kula ngcwaba kamuntu agwethu andifuna ubande yabo nto uzuyitsala because umuntu undelele grand kawo yabo usuke abantu abasevasithi kuthiwa bebegela naye pha kwathethiswa bona more kunabantu bebelapha ekazi Isaya bekhula nathi.
I met Isaya in 2012 grade 2.
Sisakhula. So nje ngoku ngiba confused manje kwenzeka into ezinje ya. And nje ngoku la muntu lo ulela kasenothini lo.
Yeah.
So iwe bendicelela mina. Andazi nina 1000 kule way. La way bisinzeka pha kuyisita. Nami bizoba cringe kanye like izoba snacks kanye izoba njani. But ndiboniwe into yembuna leya. La memorial service uphila bra.
Phila.
Mamela. Dive tsamuthini bra.
It's weird.
Asizibeke memorial service dayivi weird ne but da uzombona bangubani onawe ngoku. Ubani ongekho nawe ngoku.
Uyabona nje even nangoku uyabona unangu bani.
We don't service.
Yeah,
we can see who's with you.
What's highlight like fault here ngindawo
You know who's useJozi bra Esperanza usesuke Eastern Cape
calling into ekuthiwa like abantu sometimes abanye abantu abazingcobeni wakho bezilanga wena mama yakho brother yakho yabo
Things like that.
Yeah, so ifike mhlawumbe isibona abantu esingabaziyo qomba lo anqonde bemazi uzibani
ngikona ngikwazi kwawo yena
yeah.
So ni against le point mina kazi but then side
It's not nah.
But if you are yo
Me too, I go with you, brother. Umdo now umbona ngoku at the position you're at.
Yeah,
You don't have to be at the risk of losing your life for about ubona ngibani now. No.
ngangifuna kazi i-debate liko yina ndifika i-conversation le i-grand yakuva mna
abantu like
ndamva
aba pretendayo ngathi banawo kanti
when
I know.
when they said that because mna abantu abanami ndababona kwi-dark days ba okay man banama so ke ngoku into benza mirisa so basic
khona abantu bengena dark days.
What was your darkest day? Is it too personal?
Nah, very
It's fine,
personal.
it's
Khaje ngoku kulapho kona nababonayo ba okay man. Okay ubani nangu khona, okay ubani nangu khona. Njengangoku njengoba like si kungoku esibawo life oyuvaya. Yabona man okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ubani nobani khona, ubani nobani akekho. So ubuyela man ile way form na ibiwe ye grand. Yaqhaje ngoku singayibeki as memorial service snacks ibekwe as kalandlela leya yabo ba memorial service andazi mhlambi celebration day kabani celebration day kakhulu
You could easily call it gathering.
Kuyenzeka nekhona enye like party engeke attend yabo
yeah
like umuntu khona ne kuthi thwa ngaye ba be nice and stuff yabo iwe like enje la engayenzeka not like memorial service
No, I would cringe right at the spot.
No,
nice, what do you mean? I would cringe right at the spot. Be nice, what are you laughing?
No
khona la eyimamela la ndithola
ndakuva ta but point again andithi bakuzojoba nice si celebrate wena ngoku namhlanje
I'm judging from what he says.
man kwebe
Cringe, dog.
cause umshite bekhona pha bawe ke celebrate grand ba man ubungumuntu grand time
Dikhona nje
no man ambe ungumuntu grand time ohlala ukhule yonke ibe grand ba okay
ibambe njalo
nami
so yileyo
I would cringe, I would freeze right at the spot. What do you mean, baby grand? No, grand. That's what he said.
Man.
That would run back. People will tell you. That would run back. People will tell you.
Quarantine but unantsika iwe kanje incedile ke ngoku uzondreflect uzongikhumbulisa la way le bisenzeka pha into ekanje amlokuthi uhleli pha uzobona ke ba who's who okay
uhlala ibambe njalo yabo
exactly celebrating service nani bizobizwa intoni le but ingabe yo memorable
ibipati so uphelekile ke
but to what you say, you are great of phrase right at the spot. What do you mean by being moved to grand alive?
But that's like so ube ngumuntu grand ukhona wow
I'm still alive. What do you mean? This is
bekhona ke i-bitches zokupost ba yo wasebeyifuna cho
bitches ruin everything dog. Post something serious.
Ungapost i-chat zakho phone ba yabo ufuna i-meetup and stuff phone
dog this way legile. Why would you want to post that? No. No my god.
This is one I
think I'm musapi
so legile ngoku sipita ngam no
ufuna ke chomi
bitches imosha yongina dog yongina dog once it includes bitches I'm mosha again no it's done dog it's done
it's not everything that is born yabo
ansizibona
jongile nje wena masithule thina yani thule mina like abantu abaninzi bandazi kanje but jonge yonke uqinisibhanqa wena
na conversation ezikanje lo wena ngibethe webu kanje yabo i-conversation ezikanje zafuna uthethwa iyongo yodwa le wesi uphena thetha ngayo sininzi we mana sinozaleza qanye ngoku
we don't have to be like you don't have to make people like feel emotional and all that. This is to have fun and all that.
Yeah.
And talking about bitches, how would you feel about should I say your girlfriend? How would you feel about your girlfriend cheating on you? Maybe in your like 5 years period relationship or whatsoever. You've been cheating all these years, but when you finally like decide to stop because and all that, and now you're feeling bad, only once. How would you feel?
Yo, okay, I'm not feeling like opinion yam
same time
without a doubt nigga.
Can I ask why?
Because of like all my soup of it down to yeah,
but you
there's a difference by like you hold the race ever then understand exactly
so no at the very same time yamshayela uphuma ngaphandle
okumtholela that's my point okumtholela all these years
izodipenda ne bawuthiwe baqatshwanga uzohlala obviously ba because maybe uzome revenge
uthiwe kayi-1 qha
but asoza
uthiwe yeah okay daphulisa ngahlala
I know
khona out imidi yakho ichitele several times ngabona yonke evidence uhleli out
uthando nyama register
and ama bakhale ngothakatho
omnye baxonga amayeza ayikho lo obsessed
but that's real though amayeza and shit that's real though and I don't want to get into that that or no bad
ngaphuma same
time njalo
I would leave too
so ayihloniphanga isidima sami
wena ubuhloni I go against the evil the way nami ukuthi ngaphuma but kanti ndicinga from both sides now kha usihloniphe sakhe isidima uvele wanyuka wehle
jonga khona into emela like zezwa ngamajita bodwa khona emela zezwa ngamacherry yabo umzekelo isithembu fithi yabo isithembu
start nabo
mna yeah, best
against
you said something about slow mna kaMandela
beyintete behind the scene khona nibike benike ndayiva bani like newe ne out yakwaxosha ngonenansika
nefanele nethi yeah
ayisekho so
that's real shit
nyanga indoda le
so yakwazi uqwela
so basically you are the wife
but ke ngoku uyakwazi uyithatha inkomo
so basically you are the wife
phuluso banibani endingamaziyo ufuna ubiza fancy nasensekelo yabo yakwaxosha uba nemedi ngoku ayisaphelelanga uba
mhlawumbe phuluso ndasane yabo
iwenzi njani
That's gay, dog. No way.
Nah, it's okay.
No,
okay, we so check. We meet that we check about. Okay, get charge or some go with our fine in a way.
It's good, but that, I feel like 50-50 you know. I wonder about men have more power than women now. So that
okay,
they are human beings.
They born away, they back to like 50-50 on they don't. But I feel like man like
hey, niggas spend more dog.
Hey tata. Kwaba ungita makachosha ifan ka khazi nawe
bullshit.
Ithatha uba nokhazi naye uyospenda cases asafana konsuke hands ngibona ngathi banamandla amaninzi.
I feel like lento yema out yakhupha imali like you should choose your person wisely. Awuzuthatha umntana kwi lower standard. Usazi standard sakho dog. You would go for someone you feel like she is on your standard. Umuntu ongazu hold her back when you're giving your all.
Uzoza naye 50-50.
Yeah. Since we're 50-50 that much.
But khona la wini like yeah, le methi kuthela yonke into let's say like kuthela yonke. Yeah man. Bakufikela la out one. Lezo ivuma. Because of abantu you know much people like abantu whether by town whether by shop mude khona ala out here approach
na every
so mude khona out here ivuma.
And it's very
watch that they watch out the 7K for you.
And the rain no about Tina say they approached. We get approached sometimes. But not all of the time. But every time, dog.
Every fucking day, even as a phone in it.
Now getting back to what you said about my last mate Jago. Now think my last mate Jago can you cheat. Think of what you did. Approach her every day and then she didn't cheat on you and you kept on cheating.
Okay, like why? Nah, so bad. I cheated.
Yeah, you might have.
No, switching.
Why make a food?
I'm just asking. You should answer
okay, but this is I'm the form now I'm the good.
But they approach her every day, angabavuma bantu, just for you, and you cheated almost every day.
Once uvile la kayifunayo, obviously.
No, kangabavume. Wena you cheat
but there's some real shit.
Akabafuni
There's some real shit though.
Yandhola.
Nakho bakhona bayeka amameta yeka abantu ababafunayo.
Just
but kube khona wena.
Sometimes it depends.
Which actually feels like ukwenzela favor.
Ne? So you can
and I don't want that in my life. Ukwenzela favor. Asuli phayela joke. Asuli phayela favor. Go on dog. So ukwenzela favor. Yeah, 50-50 everything.
It's like feelings dog. If feelings bad, you know 50-50 is kind of not like what is a favor.
No, kaloku yakla 50-50 daga 50-50 makebe konke.
Everywhere. Lobikiwe mejako tolele bra.
Hell.
Yeah, me too. I wouldn't.
Why don't boozer? Hell no.
I wouldn't.
I
would leave dog. I would leave dog.
You come to 11.
No. What comes to my head? She was sucking dick, dog, and she kisses me. Oh, fuck that. No fucking way, dog.
This is his diet.
No fucking way.
Check me message right.
And you wouldn't know because ingathini kuyinyacho uyaphethu fondini.
My brothers want the champions all that now. So it's coming in a bunch of stealing a match. Because at least in this Puma.
From my perspective,
yeah, accept private every fucking day. But Iba me like Pum.
Not Braz, and then in Graham Shalan Abanbenu. That just could never be me. I saw it, Braz. That just could never be me. I didn't know about Tanina, but they could never be me. I saw him, Braz.
Hey,
I saw him, Braz.
Come the good. Never, dog.
Imagine that he finally.
But I know dog.
I let this kind of little baller. What the fuck is that? Like, when you fam ding like, like, yeah, Nika it's no more.
Sounds like a little bitch.
Like an amal. The pitcher nanya. kwakhona izinto like inika imali then ibuyise back nezilobola and all.
Ndakuva but then
on some like iyakuboleka le mabomba uyolobola.
Uyalobola ukhazi. Even if yakupha mntakwethu uyalobola imali yakhe leya.
Okay, uyazilobola
family yakhe.
Uyazilobola imali yakhe.
Ya ndakuva because khona cases ezinjalo. So you prefer ibe njalo. Nothi uyolotshola kwesakho.
Uyolotshola like straight ekhaya. Othini ekseni. Ijajo.
It's not about being a child, dog. It's about loving your woman, dog.
But there are now time to clear here and clear up quick about Angapuma Ganjim.
Me, I would leave too. Yeah, look at one. Yo, I'm leaving, dog.
You are leaving my cheap to talk on you alarm to feel. Not ya.
Kisses, yeah. It's fine.
It's fine. Now she's sucking dog.
Once,
okay, yeah, she can sucking dick, dog. Up into the Miss Awena.
Colin, you can be age. Which you learn them down. When you look like when you gas, I'm really a funny. I think a boy would. No, there isn't only Kabuja.
Yeah, you think
of that, and like, oh, I'm be there.
I feel like if you know your woman, you wouldn't stress much.
Okay. Black. Yeah,
I think if you know your woman, you wouldn't stress much. But you shouldn't trust much. You don't have to stress much, but you shouldn't trust much.
Yeah.
You know your woman, dog. Yeah, man, dog. But the woman, dog, will do for me. Also, love, I was.
Why is it I was a new. I can fool about it.
That's a kick down.
Everywhere, like pay your child.
I'm out. If it was a move, I'm out.
Yeah, but when sentence are getting a cassette for Chani, it can't sit down with me. It is as a car. Yeah, but not dead in the against locals or whatsoever, Nalumdana or whatsoever. No. The theater cast in general, the cast in Yaz Yoba has a lot of like attraction from Abandu Balapagute cars. Yeah, but girls from here love a lounge, Joe. A paraffin cafe, Joe.
As a car wash.
Yeah, we have a car wash.
But get a move on the move. The way we ring I go bar and as you made a go Vaile, you could file you. Yeah, to the type made that as you as.
About yeah,
we can research and none of your mass and food and canny police be in with some more over came do anything. Save Kai Pumileo. A band gave where and
Zambes video of the belly so fake Johnny talk. No ways, come back to me. Come back to me. Ungati Chom Zambes lady is coming and so fake no ways. Okanye to paid in the April, Ubana Zobasumlila. Ubana Zobasumlila Prain. Go on your chums up. No way. No. No way. No way.
Hell no.
No, fuck no. Paid April, Ubana Zobas.
But the one. Lending I does not know each and every fucking tear as go was sitting alive. But from that does not mindset you man. And that's in shiny P. Yeah, like Pila and I go in Chemopat. Ah, man. If we bull on the mindset, the boss will tell you as both of Cholel.
Call away. I feel like I post Facebook, guys, like 80, like I'm out. I turn that late. Then he made like the soup and this time before. Officially, I believe a glory like. Call and spell in Yaran, not love. Deep down, love, yeah. But can't you settle like down by who works and hand?
I think, yeah, no, he says, but it's the late, he's trying to know who you're with.
Yeah,
trying to learn their bad side, their good side, like every piece of them, and trying to accept who they are. That's why it's eternally. That's what I think. Actually, let me talk about me. That's who I am. Nobody go into a relationship. I always love last. Because I want to know who I'm with. Long
after 4 years,
it's fine. I know who I'm with.
Oh, yeah.
I know who I'm with.
Masuka nje se
hayi bakushaya ngebhomb exactly xa umthandayo kushaya ngebhomb
utha yami ngihlabani bani awubhiliwe lo xa
uyazama ngandlela zonke no ayingumuntu wami but uyayazi deep down inyani
amajita bezibika i-files but nazi ibhrazi
and niggas always have a file so
evidence yapoint ezo files ezidikayo eze kukukoleshiwe kuthiwa yonke into ebambekayo
niggas always have files bro ungafika umntana kasi afike for 2 days and you ask one of your niggas was indonga la mna you files because it's no files like stuff no files like this stuff or chaff and
niggas live dog
kanje
it's live it
it's crazy business bro
ya singaphuma siyi-3 kacile mos ngeke ngihlale kulo 3 years singacala nje indlela but for mna awamna ukwazi amawuta kweba bandla amaninzi ezinye iitshepo ziphumi kulo 3 years ikoyo ziyancekelela
amedakhi bibethu ngilonwabo
that could never be me that just could never be me and I heard you saying funeka siphume kula mentality yoba life sizohlala sityelwa I don't think that can be removed kule generation sekuyo this generation is messed up this generation is messed up every day unalana way uba noma ndityelo is fine it's just life
yabona baleka lo
akuhlunga ifika
when it happens but you prepared yourself
uzipreparisha awusumthanda ngale ndlela funeka ethandwe
that's why it's this time after 4 years
nithanda because usoloku expectile ba halo so ke ungasoze ubeyeni la so hlala toxic because utheni so mna for mna ngizangamna I think from last year kanye last year kanye ngapho lo nyaka upheleleyo okubinela expectations payment endibana naye bangcasuka lo
senathi wena ukwazi kwami
fakela chance bangcasuka lo which lay way emotional relationships ezininzi ngezintswempu ta from last year because ngokusenala expectation ba analozo njidela nalozo kufishina lo mentality kumndifuna ibe pha yasetlishe kahle phansi lomntana siqale grand and the push
the thought is powerful
mina ngifuna ibulala
la uyocinga
basinyana
manifestation kwalento I think you manifested it by thinking about it you manifested you pushed it to happen because you thought about it
uyipushi uyakupusha nangezenzo zakhe because expectile naxa uringa naye ngezimini ukhalisa ube mhlawumbe lethe ukhaza ubhizi uyahlamba ngokwabo mhlawumbe izitya nyaka ubhizi izitya apha ibhizi izitya nina uqala vela konke ukuphela ubhizi nyana nabantu zizitya uyaklina nyana official mentality
do you think lanto yoba Dizotyela comes with being insecure as a guy?
Obvious umuntu insecure.
Yeah, everyone is insecure.
Especially when you born in media ko ba.
Oh, she's hot, dog. Yo, having a perfect hand. Having a perfect hand will stress you, dog. Every day you stress, my hand is perfect, dog.
Fact check. Go fact check. I don't think on we funifaka.
But you get my point. Having a perfect hand, dog, you will stress you, mfana. You will stress you, mfana. I only had this one perfect hand, dog. Every day I'm stressed, dog.
Only one.
I did only okay. Bro, don't bring that
No, ask a chill. Chill, okay, what?
Only one. That's so perfect, ne? But that one, dog. Yo.
Yeah.
She was perfect, dog.
Yeah,
okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. Fucking
but that's
so just well.
So that short man. Se khala ngexesha for check and post. But yeah man, thank you for man. Bulela tazi man. Ndinishime senje kobalandeli ke pitches.
Okay, dog. Me, from my perspective. Okay, no, I'm like.
Come again?
No, I'm like. Love your girl, bro. If she loves you back, love her back, bro. Yeah, I love her back. Don't think about Uzotyela and all that. Just love your girl, bro. If Uzotyela, it's like. And Uzotyela, it's not something new, Uzotyela. Just let it go, dog.
Otherwise, like, jumping chill, man. It doesn't have to buy a relationship or.
Oh, what's a friendship or whatever. But if you like
me in
general.
Yeah, just
give me my flowers while I'm still alive. Words of the biggest super mega, a superstar, a icon. Give me my flowers while I'm still alive. That's what he means.
So it didn't feel like because it's born up among the big where then colors is ball. Just tell them what on Sapila. otherwise dabethu sobaringela chile kwakho
uyojoleka fethu ngacebile apha noma ngamkhuphi umsephi sawumtyathile
now the chela bafude with
So the idea is the process goes on. It's the jungle life, and I'm on top of the food chain.
Hit my DMs with the color crane yeah, I'm not for a life. I'm not way grand without expectations. Otherwise, thanks for watching, man. Please do like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so that I put any episode with my notifications.
Yeah,
the comfort zone.
Any day this life go flash before your eyes. In a girl like you, I see my